This one is the elevator to go up and to go down. And this one is the play section. Oh, it's nice. It's new. Look. It's new. Ayan. It's new. I think this one is 3rd floor. Mag-stay lang kayo kasi mag-video lang ako down, okay? Oops. Down for the stairs. Ayan. This one is the ground floor. Okay, see? Very nice. Very nice. Swimming pool inside. On that side, madam. And this one is in the entrance. And this one is the 2nd floor.